Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Practical Geometry. This is third question of its exercise 14.1. So the question says that draw a circle and any two of its diameter. If you join the ends of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? So draw करना है एक circle and एनी टू ऑफ इट्स डायमीटर. सो हम सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेंगे पहले एक कुछ भी रेडियस मान के, देन दो डायमीटर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे ए बी एंड सी डी. डायमीटर इज अ लाइन विच जॉइंस टू पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल एंड पासेस थ्रू सेंटर. सो हमारे पास दो केस हो जाएंगे, एक तो हम जनरल ऐसे कर लेंगे, देन इन अदर केस द बोथ डायमीटर्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. Then what figure is obtained if the diameter are perpendicular to each other? If you join the ends of these diameters, so then हम यहाँ पॉइंट आ जाएंगे A, C, B and D. दो डायमीटर्स ड्रॉ कर लिए हमने. सेम यहाँ दो डायमीटर्स ड्रॉ कर लेंगे परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, D, G, E, F. देन इन 4 पॉइंट्स को हम ज्वाइन कर देंगे. सो हो जाएगा AD, DB, BC and CA, same as it is DF, FE, EG and GD. Then हमें find out करना है what figure is obtained if diameters are perpendicular to each other. So हम both केस में देखेंगे. So O is the center, so OF equal to OG equal to OE equal to OD, because these all are radius. The line which join center to the circumference of the circle known as radius. So same यहाँ हो जाएगा हमारे पास OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. These all are radius. So in this figure, diagonals are equal. OC equal to OD, OA equal to OB. Diagonals are equal means AB and equal to CD equal to 2R. So 2 radius के इक्वल हो जाएगा diameter. So AB equal to CD, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So the shape is known as rectangle. And here diagonals are bisecting each other and equals DE equal to FG equal to diameter means 2 radius and perpendicular to each other. So ये जगह हमारा square. Thank you.